Which one of Rudolph's friends drives a sled with dogs? Yes.
You know all the answers.
Charlie Brown.
Prancer.
Yes.
Are you for real?
Pluto.
Bambi.
Is Bambi one of Rudolph's?
I don't.
Trick question. Rudolph didn't have any friends.
Rudolph has a
Comet?
No.
Prancer?
Not a reindeer.
Max.
No.
Santa.
That's a sleigh.
Dang it.
What? I don't remember this from the movie.
Rudolph don't have any friends.
I'm gonna guess. Comet.
Nope.
You don't even know.
Santa.
Dasher.
It's not a reindeer.
I don't know.
Rudolph didn't have your friend. That's why he left. He left. He went off on his own.
No idea.
I don't know.
Yukon Cornelius.
Yes.
Boom!
What is that?
Oh, Yukon Cornelius.
That is correct.
Oh man, I should watch more.
Cornelius, Yukon Cornelius.
Oh my god! What? Who is that? What is this from?
It's Rudolph.
No.
Yes.
Is that a show or?
He's saying
It's a movie? The
Oh,
Rudolph the movie.
that weird looking, scary looking thing?
The animated,
The Abominable Snowman.
that's his name?
Stop motion. Oh.
The guy with the red beard is Yukon Cornelius.
Is he also a Yeti?